Containment. A U.S. foreign policy adopted by President Harry Truman in the late 1940s, in which the United States tried to stop the spread of communism by creating alliances and helping weak countries to resist Soviet advances. Deterrence. Basic feature of American foreign policy to maintain massive military strength in order to prevent any attack upon this country or its allies. Domino theory. A theory that if one nation comes under communist control, then neighboring nations will also come under communist control. Iron Curtain speech. Winston Churchill gave this speech at Westminster College in Fulton, Missouri after receiving an honorary degree. With typical oratorical skills, Churchill introduced the phrase Iron Curtain to describe the division between Western powers in the area controlled by the Soviet Union. As such, the speech marks the onset of the Cold War. Truman Doctrine. 1947, President Truman's policy of providing economic and military aid to any country threatened by communism or totalitarian ideology mainly helped Greece and Turkey. Marshall Plan. A plan that the U.S. came up with to revive war-torn economies of Europe. This plan offered $13 billion in aid to Western and Southern Europe. Berlin Airlift. Joint effort by the U.S. and Britain to fly food and supplies into Delby, Berlin after the Soviet blocked off all ground routes into the city. North Atlantic Treaty Organization. NATO, 1949 alliance of nations that agreed to band together in the event of war and to support and protect each nation involved. Warsaw Pact. An alliance between the Soviet Union and other Eastern European nations. This was in response to NATO. Chiang Kai-shek. Chinese president who drove the communists out of Shanghai, leader during World War II, when Mao Zedong won the Chinese Civil War in 1949, this leader of nationalist Chinese Republicans withdrew to the island of Taiwan. Mao Zedong, leader of the Communist Party in China that overthrew Zhang Jiashi and the nationalists, established China as the People's Republic of China and ruled from 1949 until 1976. Korean War. Conflict that began with North Korea's invasion of South Korea and came to involve the United Nations allying with South Korea and the People's Republic of China allying with North Korea. Suez Crisis. July 26, 1956, Nasser nationalized the Suez Canal. October 29, British, French and Israeli forces attacked Egypt. UN forced British to withdraw, made it clear Britain was no longer a world power. Sputnik. First artificial Earth satellite. It was launched by Moscow in 1957 and sparked U.S. fears of Soviet dominance in technology and outer space. It led to the creation of NASA and the space race. Second Red Scare. Post-World War II Red Scare focused on the fear of communists and U.S. government positions peaked during the Korean War and declined soon thereafter when the U.S. Senate censured Joseph McCarthy, who had been a major instigator of the hysteria. House of Un-American Activities Committee. A group of senators who investigated communist infiltration of the U.S. Gov. Hollywood 10. A group of actors, writers, directors, musicians, and other entertainers who were barred from working in the industry because of their affiliations or suspected affiliations with the Communist Party of America. Taft-Hartley Act of 1947. Also called the Labor Management Relations Act, this act was Congress' response to the abuse of power, outlawed closed shops, prohibited unions' unfair labor practices, and forced unions to bargain in good faith. Fair deal. Truman's extension of the New Deal that increased minimum wage, expanded Social Security, and constructed low-income housing. McCarthyism. In 1950, Senator Joseph R. McCarthy began a sensational campaign against communists in government that led to more than 4 years of charges and countercharges, ending when the Senate censured him. In 1954, McCarthyism became the contemporary name for the Red Scare of the 1950s. Military-industrial complex. Eisenhower's term for the close ties between the defense industry and the Pentagon that might influence government policy.